Today we're going to talk about your course selection, course offerings for the 2021-2022 school year within the Department of Applied Engineering, Technology, and Business. This presentation will be organized into different fields within the department. And the first that we're going to look at is materials processing. In our materials processing courses, it's really about being project-based. The students have a strong voice and choice into the projects that they're going to do. The projects are developed to fit a budget, and you're going to learn things like hand tool use, measuring skills, problem solving, woodworking machinery, safety and operation, wood joinery techniques, assembly and finishing processes, and also some of the careers that might be available to you after high school in materials processing. In some of the courses, you'll be focusing on developing products that can be sold, and in others, you'll be developing things just because that's what you're interested in. These courses really open the door to a variety of technical training opportunities, and you can see in these projects, in these pictures, some of the way different types of projects that you can be working on in these courses. And again, if you're interested in these courses, in the course selection book for next year, you would be looking for woodworking technology, advanced materials technology, and/or product design. The next area that we're going to look at is design drafting. Design drafting at the high school is really about learning a rewarding method of communication with real values toward a future career, whether that career is as a draftsman or as an architect or any of the other fields in design drafting. You should be working to develop the ability to read and interpret instructions, illustrations, and mechanical drawings. Within design drafting, you will work to recognize and understand the different methods of visually illustrating an object, and to develop a base foundation on rewarding careers in the engineering drafting environment. If you're interested in design drafting, you would be looking in the course selection book for Engineering Design and Drafting 1 and 2, Honors Engineering Design and Drafting, Honors Architectural Design, and Computer Animation. The next area is engineering as a whole. So while engineering is a component for each of our courses within the department, these three courses really focus on what does it mean to engineer. If you're a ninth grader, you can see those two options. Those are your starting gate to get into our department as a ninth grader. You may take either the ninth grade Experiencing Technology course or the Honors Engineering Principles course. In ninth grade Experiencing Technology, you're going to get your feet wet in a variety of different fields of technology. You'll do some materials production, you'll do some design drafting, you will do some electronics, and a little bit of computer science. From there, you can take some other courses in our department your second semester of your freshman year. In the Honors Engineering course, we're a little bit more focused on the different types of engineering and exploring whether a career in engineering is something you'd be interested in. And the Applied Science course really does a very unique look at the intersection between engineering and science. Where do science and technology meet, and how can we use both of them to be better at interacting with the world around us? If you're interested in engineering, the course offerings that you would be looking for are ninth grade Experiencing Technology, Honors Engineering Principles, and Applied Science and Technology. Next field is electronics. Within the electronics field here at Penn Manor High School, we have some really unique opportunities for you. So you would be learning about kind of electron theory and how do electronics really work. You would be learning how to solder and put together your own circuits. We have some really unique opportunities to both draw our own circuits and use some advanced technology to create them. Beyond just that type of electronics, we will also be getting into programming and robotics. It's really about being able to invent ideas, innovate upon ideas, design them, and redesign them when necessary. You can see that we're working with a variety of different types of electronics, whether it be kind of just circuit boards or programmed controllers of robotics. It's really open and available to you here at Penn Manor. If you're interested in electronics, some of the fields and the courses that you would be looking at in our course selection book would be things like electronics and robotics and prototyping levels 1, 2, and 3. If you have any questions about any of the courses that are available to you or which course you're most interested in, feel free to contact any of the teachers that are listed on the screen right now. If we can't answer your question, we can certainly get you directed to the teacher who can answer your question. Feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you.